Hello and welcome to West Wales. If you're new here, my name is Becca and I'm a hand spinner, knitter and newbie weaver, and you're very welcome to today's question video really. So I've been without a phone, so I couldn't record videos for nearly a week actually. Now resolved, obviously, making a video. So thank you so much to Resource Dragon for your very kind gift. It really did help, and yes, I I have a phone at last, which, I mean, I'm not stuck to my phone, but I do use it for the YouTube videos. So it has been a blessing and a curse, really. It's been so it's been great to have a break, and it's given me some perspective. But also, I really wanted to make videos because I've been spinning to weave with, and I've lorped. I don't know what lorp is. I've warped up my loom, my rigid head loom, and I've got a project on there. So, I mean, I've been busy, but there's been things I've really wanted to share with you. But of course I couldn't because I didn't have a phone. Anyway, that has been resolved. So what do I want to talk to you about? Okay, so I've got some plans for upcoming videos. And I had a poll running about how you buy your fibre. Do you buy it pre-dyed? Do you dye it? So that was really useful. And I've got an idea for a series which I will, share as and when it happens. And for that series, I have ordered some dyed fibre from a fairly local to me fibre artist, Kate from Hilltop Cloud. So I'm looking forward to that arriving. And one of the things I wanted to do with this channel was really share the love around the fibre artists, the indie dyers of the UK, and just highlight them. So as hand spinners, we can support an independent business and really just spread the love. So that's sort of what I wanted to do with the channel. And so therefore, I thought I would spread a little love in Kate's direction. So that should arrive sometime this week. And so it's going to be a couple of weeks out before I actually am spinning that. I've started recording the spin along video, which is Border Leicester, and I have to say I'm kind of loving it, but I will share more of that on Wednesday's video. Fingers crossed it's out on Wednesday because I've got to finish recording it. Then the other thing I've kind of thought I'd like to do is have a back to basics or a beginner's guide of just kind of terms and things that we use in spinning. So one of the best things about this channel has always been the community, and we have lots of very experienced spinners who comment on the videos, but we also have some newer spinners, and so I thought it would be maybe a good idea, tell me what you think, to start a sort of like a back to basics or a beginner's guide, and just take one of the words that we use in spinning, because we've got this huge glossary of words, and say, well, what do we actually mean by that? How do you do it? And then if you're an experienced spinner and somebody is asking a question, jump in and answer it, because I will always say I am not kind of the be all end all. I don't have kind of all the knowledge about spinning. I have some knowledge because I've been spinning for quite a while, but I'm not the world's greatest expert. So it's always great to have some feedback and some help answering the questions. And I know there are quite a few people that do jump on and answer questions, so that's amazing. But one of the things I'm finding really frustrating about YouTube is that I can't actually see other people's work. So somebody was telling me what they were working on, and they said, where can I share a picture? And I was like, well, you kind of can on YouTube now in the community post, but, I might not see it and other people might not see it, which is why I had Instagram. Instagram drives me nuts because unless you tag me, it won't necessarily ping up in my feed. I'm not on there that much. I mean, it's not a platform I particularly like. But I kind of started posting there because I thought it would be a good place for people to share projects. I don't know how well that's working really. For me, I think I miss a lot of things because I'm not scrolling constantly, so I don't see stuff, and the algorithm doesn't present me with people's posts. So that's a bit of a frustration. So I have thought about a Facebook group. Again, I am not a big Facebook user. I'm in a couple of Facebook groups. I never post on my profile, and I don't actually post that often in the groups I'm in. So I don't know that that's a very good solution. And yeah, so I'm really not sure kind of how to go further with it. So if you've got any ideas, then that would be very helpful. So I'd love to know about that. And yeah, so if you would like to have a sort of back to basics, then just let me know, and also let me know what you would like me to cover. So I'm just going to turn you around and show you where we are, because we're sort of up above the houses. So hang on a minute, I'll just turn you around. There you go, over to the Brasilies. It's looking very lovely. It's much warmer than it's been for ages. So I'm out with the little dog, and I still have hay fever because there's lots of tree pollen around now. One of the other things that I really like about the channel is finding out what people are working on. So just drop a comment below and let me know what you're working on. And then if you've got any ideas that you'd really like to see on the channel, then yeah, just drop me a message, and if that is within my capabilities, I will share it on the channel. Anyway, so it's just a quick update just to let you know that, yeah, I'm fine. I've got massive bags under my eyes because I've got hay fever, and it'll go away when the tree pollen has subsided. And hopefully I'm going to see you on Wednesday when I will be spinning Border Leicester. So until then, have a wonderful week.